It's always good to have a backup plan. With the polar vortex shifting over us and things starting to warm up, it was great to see some fresh snow today. As I headed down to one of my go-to lines, I was hoping to jump off this air. But as I approached the line, I started to see tracks coming in from the skier's right. Now, rather than sending an air blind, knowing that there might be tracks in the outrun, I opted for plan B, this line over to the left. Whether it's life or death, or you're just looking to have the best run possible, it's always advantageous to really know the terrain you're in to have the best outcome. Follow for more powder skiing content.